Let's try this shit. Gardening gloves. I'm going to do how much? 45 pounds? It's just 40 pounds. Let's try this. Here we go. So, this is only like 50 pesos. That is equals to $1. Yeah. Ooh, it's damn heavy. Let's go. 40 pounds with gardening gloves. Okay. Ouch! Shit, that hurt. It hurts. The grip is good because of the rubber, but so much hurt because the inside you can feel the what is this? What is it? You can feel this inside. It hurts. It's not a good idea.